Hellcat deserves to be on this list right here? Let's talk about it. I'm gonna tell you my top 5 Hellcats in the game right now. Going on YouTube, I am back with another video, and I've been wanting to do this video for a while. If you guys know, I started out drag racing, got into grudge racing with my 1320, and beat a lot of cars, including some stock Hellcats, some modified Hellcats. But it also got me in a rail and around to be able to see some of the fastest Hellcats ever that I've ever laid eyes on, whether that be via YouTube, via live, or actually at the track. I will go ahead and say these are my top 5. I'm gonna consider them grudge racers. Most of them are grudge racers. There are 2 of the world's fastest Hellcats out there, and I'm gonna go ahead and play their video here shortly. But D-Man has the fastest twin turbo Hellcat charger, and then ZH Tunes also has the fastest Hellcat charger. I'm not sure of times at the moment. They keep going back and forth, but let's state the obvious. Those are the 2 fastest Hellcats that we have. Simple, but we're talking about true Hellcats that are still supercharged. And this is my list, so be mad at me if you're not on it. Now that we got D-Man and ZH Tunes out the way, we can talk about this list. Now, it has been crazy because I haven't been at the drag strip as much as I would like to, but I want to give a shout out to Kiefer. Haven't forgot where I came from in the streets. He runs the streets down there in Atlanta. Supreme, big influence, man, down in Dallas. Demonology, Mod to Fame, all these guys who really got me into drag racing, got me down to Texas, got me down to Memphis, and I just started drag racing everywhere, right? I still have a lot to learn. I'm not even close to any of these cars on this list. This is my own opinion of me watching the grudge race world over the last year, especially being overseas and not being able to see some of the truly fast cars because of their laws and their rules over here in the Middle East. But I'm gonna start by just giving a huge shout out to these 5 cars that I'm about to put on this list, man. If you end up watching this video, I appreciate you. Leave me a comment. Much respect for what all 5 of y'all do. I love seeing y'all go at it. But for me, my number 1 car I have seen consistently beat cars. Consistently over this last 2025. I've stayed tuned into a bunch of people on YouTube to be able to watch them race live. They've won a lot of big money races, and that is High Performance Lux, or Head Cutters. I know they are now driven by Bailey's High Performance. When I say driven, they are built by them. I know they were originally out of Arizona or the Vegas area. I have not met them in person. Hopefully I'll get to a race and can get with them. But number 1, Hellcat, the baddest Hellcat out right now. And that is a Bailey's performance car, right? Bailey's does a hell of a job out there down in Texas and supports his grudge racers like crazy. But this is the baddest Hellcat, bar none. And I'm gonna play a video right now. I actually didn't see a lot on video, but I saw a lot post later on in the 2025. He actually raced this guy right here, and he gave him the, I believe it was the back tire and the jump. I'm not 100% sure, man. I haven't watched that video in a while. But my number 2 car did beat number 1, but not heads up. And let me go ahead and tell you, by any means, am I in this area or this realm of grudge racing. I am not that high up, but from me watching and enjoying what y'all do, this next car, Hellcat Hunter, did do some damage. Got a silver narrow body Hellcat, crazy fast car. Again, I don't know anything about these cars, what they run. That's the whole purpose of grudge racing. But for me, this is my second, quote unquote, top 5 fastest Hellcat out there. So shout out to Hellcat Hunter. I think Head Cutters and Hellcat Hunter, hopefully this year we'll get some good heads up racing. And finally, my own opinion, if this race was heads up, you guys know who won that. But let's show you heads up. All right, now you guys saw Hellcat Hunter. I almost forgot. My third car is actually somebody I was put on to by Demonology, and actually saw his car. Oh man, can't remember what meet it was, but this was before he had everything done to it that he does now, I believe. But number 3, Zilla, that lime green Hellcat. Another Bailey's car. Another Bailey's car, man, that is crazy, crazy fast. He's won plenty of races. He actually just was at XRP at Supreme's event and ended up beating that Mamba ZL1. And he gave the ZL1, it looked like half a car or something like that. It was insane. So this is my third fastest Hellcat. Let me show you that. All right, now that you guys saw Zilla, my 4th and 5th was a toss-up. I watched Bailey's go down and put BTA to this car, which is why I chose another car over that one. And 4th is Hefe, right? Some people know him. Hefe versus everybody. I think he's another Georgia car. Raced at one of the events I was at, and I actually didn't even have my car. Raced at a Kifa event down in Georgia. I don't know if it was Silver Dollar Motorsports. Silver Dollar, I can't remember, Silver Dollar, right? Drag strip down there somewhere. But he consistently shows up in races, these guys, no questions asked. Man, it's just that simple. Always looking for the top spot. Gotta give credit where credit's due, man. Hefe versus everybody, another Georgia car. Shout out to that. Let's show you a race. And to finish off, my number 5 in my top 5 fastest Hellcats. I mentioned Bailey's went down there and put BTA to a lot of their cars, but full-blown performance in this Escobar Hellcat. It's white and black Hellcat. Again, full-blown performance, does some crazy fast cars out on the West Coast. And they actually, it's wild, I have a story about Escobar and the full-blown performance guys. I was in Kuwait and this SRT garage ended up talking to me, and I talked to the guy, and he actually sends and works a lot with full-blown performance since he has a house in Kuwait and then obviously in LA. And he has a crazy fast Hellcat and TRX out of his shop, and I believe full-blown helped build his car along with himself. So there were some relations that full-blown performance may not even know. But SRT Garage from Kuwait, you guys know that guy pretty well. He comes to the shop. But that is my top 5 fastest Hellcats. I'll let you see a video of Escobar shortly. But let me know what you guys think. If you're in the grudge racing scene, I'm gonna try to get back home finally and get out to a lot of races here soon, and even race my car as it gets finished. Again, I'm not in this realm yet, but I'm never afraid of a race. A chase is a race always. So, top 5 fastest Hellcat. Let me know what you think, and we're out.